Did the US stock market finally bounce back after all the losses from the coronavirus from last month in January? Or are we still in mercy of coronavirus? What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Investment for Beginners. My name is Andy and thank you for checking out my channel and our weekly report number 5. Also, in this video, we will include how my portfolio did in January. If you're interested in keeping track of my portfolio, make sure to check out the playlist that cover my weekly and monthly report. If you're interested in investing, check out the other playlists that cover different topics in investment, retirement, and a touch of finance. This week we had company report from Alphabet, which is Google parent company, and Disney. There are few popular company in this week release, so make sure to pause the video if you want to check out which company were released this week. Starting off, we're going to jump into our January report. January marked new year of 2020, so I started off with a contribution of $6,000, which is maximum amount of Roth IRA. When we add $6,000 to the beginning balance of January of $44,327, that comes out to be $50,327. Fortunately for this portfolio, our market change for January is gain of $679 with the almost $57 of dividend. Next are some changes in my portfolio. I sold my CVI share along with APPS for a total of almost $4,000. I bought more Wells Fargo share to total of 50 and 50 shares of FTEC, which is basically an ETF managed by Fidelity that focus on information technology. If you are familiar with VGT, that's basically what it is but under Fidelity. I also bought 50 shares of PLD and remaining amount of money for EPRT, which are real estate investment. Hopefully this will help diverse my portfolio better. However, unfortunately, the coronavirus has taken some serious impact on January growth. As you can see on the chart here, from January 3rd to January 27th, we lost about $1,400, but gained most of those back by January 30. But on the last day of January at 31st, we lost little more than over $1,000 in one single day. If it weren't for these big losses, the market change for January could have easily been over $679, breaking $1,000. But stock market could have gone worse and I could have lost much more. I don't want to make myself like a crying baby for positive gains, so I'll be grateful for what I have earned. Hopefully World Health Organization will able to resolve the coronavirus and the stock market will grow healthy. Now starting off the week, on Monday is some good news to US stock market as all three major index closed in positive gain and Tesla continued to break new record reaching high at $786. China's central bank inject $174 billion into their market via reverse repo operation. Monday we opened with last Friday closing, which was $51,064, and we closed at $51,741, a gain of $677. Tuesday, US stock market blew up huge and Tesla continued to break its record high, reaching $940. Past 3 months, Tesla is up 180% and past 6 months, 300%. Coronavirus issue continue to rise as it infect more than 20,000 people and claim 400 lives. For second day in a row, China injects $73 billion into their market to stabilize their economy and increase the confidence of the investor. Tuesday, we went from $51,741 to $53,033, a gain of $1,292, which is one of the highest single day growth my portfolio has ever experienced. On the side note, my portfolio has never experienced a gain or loss of $2,000 in a single day yet. Wednesday, S&P 500 recovered the loss since the coronavirus has impacted the stock market. However, the coronavirus continued to infect almost 25,000 people and claim almost 500 lives. A local TV station in China reported that researcher at, and pardon my pronunciation, and I believe it's pronounced Zhengzheng University, had discovered an effective treatment for the virus. Wednesday, the portfolio gained $325, pushing the amount to 53,358 on closing. Thursday, more than 60% of S&P 500 companies have reported earnings thus far, with 71% of them beating analysts' expectation. Coronavirus death toll in China rose to 563, with the total of 28,000 cases confirmed. Thursday, the portfolio closed at 53,746 from 53,358, a gain of $388. Friday, U.S. added 225,000 jobs compared to 165,000 expected. Although this is a good news to show how U.S. economy is doing, but the report claimed that the most of the new hire jobs are minimum pay to low paying jobs. For Friday, the portfolio did less than $1 difference, so we remain at same amount, which is 53,746. Now, as for this week, we went from $51,064 to $53,746, which is a gain of $2,682. This might be one of the biggest gains in a single week. We're starting February with a strong start, but we'll see how this month will end. After all, there are always unexpected events that can always change the stock market for better or worse. That's gonna do it for this week's report, with January report included also. Thank you for checking out this video, and I hope to see you again next week. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Super smashing the like button is always appreciated, and like always, invest wisely.